What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Single Prince in the building, and today I'll be looking at this is Rally 2. Yeah, so I'm gonna get straight into the video. Press the like button, and also if later on, if you love this video, you could subscribe, you know, and make video suggestions. So let's begin. Yeah, this is Rally 2, the best scenes of rally. Yeah, my favorite rally car is the Subaru, and for WRC, the Toyota. I'm an impressive fan. 1, 2, 3, hit it. Held on to that one.
Oh, holy fuck! Ui saatana mitä pyykkää. Se oli ihan tonne reunaan.
Je sens qu'il va le prendre comme ça.
That was smooth. That was smooth. Lancia went for a swing. This is a Marshall to smooth.
Can't get enough of racing? Then you've come to the right place. Welcome to overtake.g.
The graphics is
Tässä hyvä esimerkki siitä, kuinka yrittänyttä ei laiteta. Missään vaiheessa ei Kenneth Eriksson höllää kaasupolinta, vaikka Mitsubishi hyppii ojassa melkoista vauhtia. Tämä Jyväskylän suurajoissa 1990.
fuck?
Voimaa on autosta.
Kyllä se keskeyttää. Ei wait.
Yeah. At least the car maintained the frame. That's a ring light, right? Rally Super.
Till kröp. 60.
Easy. This car is perfect. It's a landscape. One of the most dangerous cars on the street, man. It reminds me of Jamaica. Ooh. Where is this? In Germany, right? Probably Sweden. Take your time. Oh no. Nice shot, careful. That's crazy.
Oh, a huge jump from here.
Yo, that was so crazy, man. But yo, hit the comments and tell me what you like about most of these cars, you know, these rally cars, especially uh the early WRC cars. Yeah, press the like button. It's your boy Sugar Prince. Stay safe. I'm out. Subscribe also. Vroom.